In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a comment to a Jira issue. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to make your comment clear and helpful for your team. Start by opening your project or space in Jira. This brings you into the context where your issues live, whether you're working from a board, a backlog, or a project overview. Next, open the specific issue where you want to add your thoughts. You can click it directly from a board card, choose it from a list, or use search if you already know the issue key or summary. Once the issue is open, scroll down to the comments section. In many Jira layouts, it's grouped with the activity area under the description and details. Make sure you're in the comments tab rather than history or work log so you're typing in the right place. Click inside the comment box to activate the editor. Type your message or update, keeping it focused and actionable. A good comment states what changed, why it matters, and what's needed next. If you're following up on a question or decision, reference it briefly so readers get context without hunting around. Use the toolbar to format text if needed. Apply bold or italics to highlight key points, create short lists for steps or findings, and insert links to relevant documents or pull requests. Clear formatting makes your comment easier to scan, especially on busy issues. If someone needs to see this right away or can help move it forward, mention a teammate using the @ symbol followed by their name. Choose the correct person from the suggestions so they're notified. Use mentions thoughtfully to keep noise down while ensuring the right people are in the loop. Attach files or screenshots if necessary to provide visual evidence, logs, or design previews. You can usually drag and drop into the editor or use the attach option. Give files descriptive names and double-check that you're not sharing sensitive information unintentionally. Before posting, take a moment to review your comment. Check spelling, clarity, and that your mentions and links are correct. When you're ready, click Comment or Save, depending on the button label in your Jira setup. Wait for the comment to appear in the activity section. It should show up with your name and a timestamp. If it doesn't appear immediately, refresh the page. Team members watching the issue may receive notifications automatically based on their settings, so your update can reach the right audience without extra steps. And that's all it takes to add a clear, effective comment to a Jira issue.